Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. Today we're diving into low-carb, high-protein diets with a full day of eating plan to kickstart your weight loss journey. We'll walk you through delicious, easy-to-make meals and snacks, all while keeping that carb count low. Let's get started. We're starting our day with a breakfast that's low in carbs, but don't worry, it's still delicious and satisfying. This meal is packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. First up, we have scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. This combination is not only tasty but also incredibly nutritious. 2 eggs cooked in olive oil or coconut oil provide healthy fats that are essential for brain function and overall health. Add a handful of spinach for a boost of nutrients and fiber, then top it all off with creamy avocado slices for that perfect texture. If you're in the mood for something different, why not try a Greek yogurt parfait? It's a versatile and delicious option. Mix Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. This adds a satisfying crunch and a variety of flavors to your breakfast. Fuel up with these easy, low-carb breakfast options for a healthier you. Start your day right and feel the difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. It's lunchtime, and we're sticking with our low-carb plan. Today, we're preparing a meal that's not only healthy but also incredibly tasty. This meal is both delicious and satisfying, perfect for keeping you full and energized throughout the day. Get ready for a vibrant salad with fresh, leafy greens like spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. These greens are packed with vitamins and minerals. Add grilled chicken breast for lean protein, avocado for healthy fats, cherry tomatoes for sweetness, and cucumbers for crunch. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture. Dress it with a simple olive oil and vinegar vinaigrette. This dressing is light yet flavorful, enhancing the natural taste of the ingredients. This salad is a perfect example of enjoying a low-carb meal without sacrificing flavor. It's a delightful combination of taste and health. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein, this salad will keep you satisfied and nourished. It's fantastic for weight loss and overall health. Enjoy this meal knowing you're making a great choice for your body and well-being. Dinner is on the horizon and we're serving up a low-carb feast that's both delicious and satisfying. Enjoy baked salmon with steamed broccoli and cauliflower rice. Season salmon with salt, pepper, and lemon juice, then bake to perfection. Steamed broccoli and cauliflower rice are nutrient-rich, low-carb sides. This meal is flavorful and satisfying without the carb overload. The combination of textures and flavors will leave you feeling content and nourished. We've made it through our main meals, but what about those pesky cravings that sneak up on us in between? They can be hard to ignore, but don't worry. We've got you covered with a variety of healthy low-carb snacks that are both delicious and satisfying. First up, a handful of almonds. These little powerhouses are perfect for curbing hunger. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you full between meals. Plus, they are easy to carry around for a quick snack. For something savory, try cheese sticks. They're convenient and tasty. Cheese is low in carbs and high in protein and calcium, making it a great option for a quick, nutritious snack. For a refreshing snack, try celery sticks with almond butter. The crunch of the celery paired with the creamy almond butter is a delightful combination. And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking water is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, so a glass of water might be all you need. That's it for our low-carb, high-protein day of eating. We hope this video gave you some delicious and easy meal ideas to help you achieve your weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.